Hi, my name is Kevin Wong, and this is my mechanical breadboard project for 254. So my theme here is mini golf, and this guy right here, his arms swing in an oscillating motion that rides on this sliding mechanism right here along a peg. There's a stretching articulation that pulls the arms back, and that is held by a rubber band. Underneath the hat, there's a pivot point that rotates the arms. There's also a pivot point right here. Another example of an articulation is a fold, a basic hinge. This is similar to the mechanism of a picture frame with a 45-degree cut. And that is how the whole thing is being held up. And that's all. Thanks for watching.